Hello everyone. In this video, I will be briefing you about BAN5023W2A business analytics exercise. As a part of this video, you will be understanding how to install Tableau desktop onto your system and like including a new data source into the Tableau, then creating a small graph using the data source that is available. Okay, so for that, first you need to install this Tableau desktop. Click on the link. It will take you to this window. Here you have to click on start a free trial. Please enter your details. Some you can give some fictitious detail, but anyhow you have to give your own email ID, and this is a trial version. It will last for 14 days. So what I want you to do is download the free trial after entering all your data and install it. After installing, it will be like Tableau and year name and version name you will get. Click on that and open. In the meantime, you just download this Tableau Halloween file. This is the data source which we will be using to complete the activity. This is how the Tableau file will open. Now let us include the data. So here left side you can see search for data option, where you can find to a file JSON. There are multiple options given. Our file is an Excel file, so I am clicking it on Excel and including the file. Okay, when we include the file, it clearly shows what kind of columns it contains, what kind of data that those columns contain, that we can see. Okay, so this is data source related information. If you cross check here in the left side of the corner bottom, at the bottom you can see data source. This is data source link. When you click on sheet 1, it opens sheet like this. Here if you cross check, these hash marked things are whatever the columns that get hash mark, they are measures. Okay, they are in numbers, and above are variables, or like we call categorical type kind thing. Okay, so as we already installed it, you try to take any option, maybe like you take date. Here if you check rows and columns are there, you will be arranging data into rows and columns. Okay, column, or you can take it in rows, and you can take count. Otherwise you can take data count. Otherwise you can take measure values like this. So year wise measure values, you can change these values like this. You can arrange these things like this. See, it's like a pattern based checking of data. You can understand, you can generate graphs easily when compared to Excel. Here we have multiple options. You can select pie chart, square chart. There are multiple options that you can select. Usually based on the requirement, we will be selecting the data. Okay, so just simply create throws keep this one constraint and at least one measure on rows and columns, and generate some graph. Take a screenshot where we can see the date, time and everything. This should be shown in your screenshot. Okay, so first whatever the diagram you created, file, save it, save as, and you are supposed to select TWX. Here it is TWB. You are supposed to select TWBX and name it as BAN5023W1W2A. Okay, now I'm saving it, and I'm taking screenshot of this one. I'm taking complete screenshot, then a new file, new Microsoft Word file. I'm taking screenshot of this one. So this is enough. Okay, so it is very important that your screenshot consists of date here. All right, So save this file, and you are supposed to send these two files. Word document file, save it as like better every time you save it as the subject name that is given. Because as same subject I will be saving it, and I will be adding my number 1401, saving it. Now attach these two files and send it to me. Okay, so let me check. Just stop downloads documents. If you are unable to trace the file, just come here, alt F as, or like save as. We will see the path where it is documents repository. Click on it, copy the path and paste it here. You can see file name. Okay, the other file, this also you can see when you click on save as, it shows the path. Here it is, the path you have, like this is the file. Okay, so just I will be copying this one again and searching for it using the link. So here it is. Just because the file is open, it is not allowing me to copy it. I just copied both the files and just send the file to me. Okay, using the same name you are supposed to send the file. All right, so this is how we have to do. Please help yourself and complete the activity. Thank you.